Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick Edmonton. Today we're going to check out the 2026 GMC Canyon ELEVATION. This comes in a sterling metallic grey exterior and a jet black interior. Under the hood it has a 2.7-litre TurboMAX engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It comes with many cool features such as remote start, heated front seats, cruise control and much more. Come with me as we take a look inside. Starting with the front interior, we get this jet black trim. On the top of the door panel are the door lock and lock buttons, power mirror and power window controls. At the bottom are the speakers, some storage space on the side. On the inside is the interior lighting controls and the trailer brake controller. Now we can have a full look at the cloth seats. At the bottom are the power seat controls with lumbar adjustments. Let's have a look from the inside. On the left of the steering wheel are the cruise control settings. On the right are some directional controls. Coming to the entertainment screen, we have tons of apps over here. We can connect our phones using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can listen to audio using AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth and some more options. We also get Google Maps to help us navigate around the city. At the bottom are the climate control buttons with heated front seat buttons on both the sides, followed by some more features: charging outlets, gearbox, electronic parking brake, dual cup holders, and underneath the armrest we get some more storage space. Moving outside, this 2026 GMC Canyon ELEVATION comes in a sterling metallic grey exterior. In the front we get the GMC logo on a blacked out grille. At the bottom are two black colored tow hooks. On the sides are the LED headlamps. This vehicle comes with 18-inch black colored wheels. We also get blacked out side mirror covers, paint matched door handles with buttons for keyless entry, blind spot sensors on the front. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we get corner steps at the rear bumper on both the sides. GMC Canyon and ELEVATION written in chrome. Let's have a look at the cargo storage space. As we can see inside, we have plenty of storage space with two corner tie downs in the front and in the back, and we also get a power outlet. Finally, moving to the rear interior, we get the same trim. On the top of the door panel are the power window controls. At the bottom are the speakers, some storage space on the side. Behind the front seat we get additional mags and storage space. Behind the center console are the climate fans for the rear passengers, two charging outlets and a power outlet at the bottom. We get the same cloth trim in the rear seats, and those are the floor mats. Thank you for joining me as we had a quick look at this 2026 GMC Canyon ELEVATION. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.